Hello everyone. So 4 divided 1 by 4 times 4. So 4 with 4 cancel out and 4 divided by 1 is 4, which is the incorrect answer. So if we have given division and multiplication as per order of operation, both have same priority, but still we have to solve it from left to right. So 4 divided 1 by 4 times 4. So first, if we solve it from left to right, we have division. So there are two things, that is 4 divided 1 by 4 and 4 multiply 1 by 4. Both are different questions. In this case, 4 multiply 1 by 4, you can cancel out it and answer is 1. But in this case, you have to follow KCF rule. Here, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 4 times 4 by 1 times 4, which is equals to 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 4 is 64. So what is the correct answer? 64, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.